You see? It's already a couple, you know. It's already a couple, you know, formed, you know, already like 3 weeks ago, you know. But every day the same story, you know, that I told you last night, you know. The female early in the morning behaving hard to get, you see, hard to get. She ignores the husband. Her husband is doing his best, you know, saying, please, see, please, see, please.
Oh, I missed it.
I need 3 seconds at least. Give me a bit. I promise you it will be only 2 seconds. Right? I promise you it will be only 2 seconds, not 3 seconds. See that? See? The present? Yeah? So guys, how can you identify the male from the female if they are not making any sound? Huh? Now notice the eyes. You see the eyes? Look at this, in competition, you see? It's like a competition. It is a neighbor nearby, you know, you see? Trying to take advantage of what is going on there. You know what I mean? And it happens also in humans. See? So something else which is not strange in nature. You have to live in Ecuador, live in a neighborhood